Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I did these airbrush and chrome nails. So first, I already prepped and primed my nails, and now I'm going in with the Airbrush Extend Gel and applying it to the tip at a 45-degree angle and flash curing for 15 seconds. I prepped the nail tip by just drilling the inside of it, and to apply the Extend Gel, you just want to do one thin layer and then do a little bit more gel at the top of it so that it can kind of pull down the nail. If you get any air bubbles in the nail or you see that there's not enough nail glue on there, just wipe it off and do it again, because if you don't do that, then you'll probably get nail lifting in a couple weeks. Now I cure the whole hand for 60 seconds. Next, you want to clip your nails down to the desired length. I got this nail clipper from Amazon and I'll link it in the description. Next is you're going to seal your cuticles, which is by far one of the most important steps in Gel X. What sealing the cuticle means is that you're blending in the plastic nail tip with the base of your nail so that when it grows out or anything, there's no lifting and your hair does not get caught under the nail. This basically just takes off the bulk from the cuticle, and you know you're good when it looks like a seamless blend from the base of the nail onto the tip. Now I'm going to go in with 2 layers of this white rubber base. I like using a rubber base because it adds strength and thickness to the nail. I like just adding this to all my nails, like whether it be a clear rubber base or like a colored neutral rubber base, just because if I don't, it feels like I'm just walking around with plastic nail tips on, but these kind of make it feel like actual acrylics. To do airbrush nails, you need to put 100% acetone and gel polish in your airbrush machine, and I messed up, so I just wiped it off. Since it's not cured, you can just wipe it off because it's basically just acetone, and I'm spraying it just a regular amount for my nail. It just takes practice, and you can just kind of eyeball it and see, like, the farther you spray, the lighter the color. So I'm just going in with the light blue at first, and then I'm going to go with the dark blue. And after this hand is done, you want to cure this for about 10 seconds. Since I'm just going with a different color of blue, I didn't change the acetone, but if you're using 2 different colors, then you do need to change it in between, but I just wanted to keep it the same thing. And so now I'm going in closer with the airbrush machine so I can kind of make a circular orb airbrush nail art. When you've added all the airbrush you want to your nails, you can put your hand to the lamp for a full minute to cure. Next step, I'm going to add a matte top coat on top of these nails because I want to add some chrome nail art, and I don't want the chrome to stick to the airbrush design I just did. I'm using a clear rubber base to draw out where I want the chrome powder to stick, so I'm going in with kind of just these abstract lines all around the nails. This was my first time doing chrome nail art, so if I had to do it again, I would not do the matte top coat method because the chrome powder is still stuck to it. Instead, I would have gone in with a clear top coat right after I did the airbrush designs and just buffed out that clear top coat so that the chrome powder would not stick to that airbrush base. Here I'm just wiping the nails with alcohol just so it can, be clean. And as you can see, when I go in with this chrome powder, it's literally sticking to the base, which was not the point. So that's kind of frustrating, and I'm brushing it off, but it's still kind of there. So definitely just add a top coat, a clear top coat after you did the airbrush, and just buff that out so that it would that will be, in a sense, that matte surface you want. Because what you want in order to add chrome onto your design, you need a dry surface, and this matte top coat is kind of like a velvety smooth surface. So now in order to fix this, I have to go in and put a clear top coat only on top of the chrome nail art, because after I cure this and I wipe my nail with 100% alcohol, it'll take off all the chrome that I did not top coat. But this is just an extra step that did not need to happen if I would have gone with the other method. But it was my first time, so it's okay. But just letting you guys know, it's best to just add a clear top coat, buff it out, and that'll be your matte dry surface you're looking for. So this is how it looks when it's all cleaned up. I like how it looks with the matte top coat, but I like how it looks more with the glossy top coat because that was what I had in mind. That was my vision, so I just added it. And then after that, you want to cure it for a whole minute. So this is the completed airbrush and chrome design. I really like how it turned out. I learned a lot of stuff from doing this, so hopefully you can learn as well, learn from my mistakes. But yeah, that was all. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.